Hi gardening friends, I'm Lark and I'm in Wisconsin, Zone 5. And today for Tips and Techniques Thursday, I want to show you how I support my raspberries so they're a little easier for us to pick. I use the method of using twine to tie up the canes, and I also use spring clothespins. But first of all, what I do is I pound in rebar right around the raised bed, which is concrete block. I also plant in the concrete block. The next thing I do is I take coated clothesline and I do about 3 layers of it to hold up the raspberry canes. Makes it a little easier so they don't flop in. Down the center here, I have stepping stones. So we can get into this bed because we did not make 4-foot beds. This bed is probably about 8 by 8. So I had to put a path through it. So today what I wanted to show you what I did was I tie up the raspberry canes earlier in the season before they have all this top growth. And then I just take a piece of twine. Let's see if I can show you this. Take a piece of twine and then I loop it around the raspberry cane. Oh, let's see if I can get the light in there. The raspberry cane. And I do it loosely. Another time around, and then I tie it to the coated clothesline. Now, it slides a little with this method, but enough that we can pick easily. All these are tied to the cane. This makes it easier. The second method I use is using spring clothespins, and that helps hold them a little more erect too. So I use this clothespin, the spring ones, and then I find a part of the cane, and let's see, how can I say it? I first do the clothesline, and then I put the cane in there. Can you see that? So now it holds it from blowing and tangling with the other canes. Makes it much easier for us, and it makes it easier for me to get in here and pick. And my tip for picking is I pick in the morning and the ants aren't out as bad. If I miss some raspberries, then the ants like them. So that's it, friends, for Tips and Technique Thursday, supporting my raspberry canes. Thank you. Bye-bye.
It is Lark's birthday today, her 69th birthday. Happy birthday, honey.